Winter storm warning in effect from 3 p.m. Saturday to 3 p.m. Alaska Standard Time Sunday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 8 to 16 inches. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour. Where? Taiya, Inlet and Klondike Highway and Haines, Borough and Lynn Canal. When? From 3 p.m. Saturday to 3 p.m. Alaska Standard Time Sunday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. Additional details. Another round of heavy snow is forecasted at higher elevations, while heavy rain is expected at sea level. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. For the latest road conditions, call 511 or visit 511.alaska.gov.